Yes, your credit score can increase after you delete a collection account because collection accounts are negative. It's nothing positive about a collection. Period. It's nothing positive. So getting that type of thing off of your credit reports can definitely increase your credit score. And a lot of people don't know, like it's very easy to sometimes remove these collection companies from your credit reports because they don't have the necessary documents to actually validate the debt, and they're not reporting correctly a lot of times. They're re-aging your debts, and they just have the reporting wrong a lot of times, like the last date activity, these different things. So it's really easy to get some of these collection accounts removed from your credit reports, and it's an easy way to get that credit increase that you're probably looking for. Now, if we're talking different accounts, different accounts when they get removed, they act in different ways. So we're definitely going to go over that because I did see a question in here about that. But each type of account can act in different ways in terms of getting them removed. But a collection, getting that thing removed, that's the way to go, and you should see an increase in your